Hey guys, welcome back to the Struggleville YouTube channel. Have a quick farm and fleet deal for you. This is only in store though, so sorry for those of you who can't come in store. See, online this kit is coming up $249. Right there, that deal's been going on for a while. It's actually on sale right now for $209. And then you buy this kit and you get a free bear tool. It's any bear tool at $199 or less value. So, I'm going to get 3. I'm going to get the compact reciprocating saw. I'm going to get the router. And also get the 1/2 inch mid-torque. Mid-range, whatever. And then, on top of that, they have a deal going right now where you get $15 in Blain's bucks for every $100 you spend in store. So it's going to be $600. It's going to be $90 in Blain's bucks on top of the deal. And I already looked these things up on eBay, and it looks like it's about a wash minus the shipping and eBay fees. Otherwise, they're selling for about $200 or so. So you're either getting this for almost free, really cheap, or sell this too, and really be making out pretty well. What are we pointing to?
Just what they had on sale now.
Oh, all the different bear tools? It's anything under $200. We have the right angle driver, you have the 1/4 inch impact, you have 1/2 inch drive and 3/8 drive impacts. It's none of the kits. The sander, angle grinder, the compact reciprocating saw, the drywall tool, maybe the fan, I would imagine. I don't see the price, probably $119. So the fan, the inflator, I would guess the other vacuum is included. Jigsaw. No, yeah. Oh, maybe I should get that. How much is that? $199? Oh, we might have to do some more looking. Maybe we'll get 4.
I know. I'm always having to help
Hey, you
out.
think that tripod light counts as a
It says $199.
bear tool? Oh, I wonder if the tripod light counts as a bear tool. Alright guys, I gotta go. I gotta figure this thing out. Anyways guys, that's a heads up for anyone who can shop in store. Blain's Farm and Fleet. So our update is I only got 3. The light didn't count. Oh, I wanted the tripod light to count so much. It rang up the sale price and it didn't come off. And I cried. They said they're gonna call DeWALT because something about it's offered by the manufacturer and they're not the ones that blah blah blah, I don't know. But they're gonna call DeWALT and see if they can get it. The deal goes until the 5th. I'm assuming they're gonna say no, but how awesome would it be if I get that tripod light? That's the only thing out of the whole kit and caboodle here that I actually wanted was the tripod light. But that's an amazing deal, guys. So if you have a farm and fleet near you, definitely worth it. The problem is it's ringing up $249 still on their website, but I'll put something in the description down below. If the website updates to where it's down to $209, then it'd be a perfect deal to get there too. It's even better. It's an even better deal on the website because they have spend $100 get $10 off. Well, but then you wouldn't get the Blain's bucks because those are in store only. Well, either way, it's still a good deal for you. So, thanks for watching this quick video, guys. Make sure you give the video a like, subscribe for a nice subscriber, and you guys have a good night.